Hey guys, so today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to complete this gradebook template. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is put all the students' names in ascending alphabetical order from A to Z. So what you're going to do is just highlight all of 10 names, and then you're going to also highlight their scores across the board so all their scores stay with the right person. And then I'm going to click right here, and then you can choose ascending or descending. So I'll click ascending, and now all the students' names and their information is in the right order. Now we're going to calculate their quiz averages. So what you're going to do, the main formula we're going to be using is sum. So you're going to do equal sum, open parentheses, then you're going to highlight across all of their scores from all their quizzes, close parentheses. Then you're going to divide it by the total number of points of all the tests, which is 200, and then press enter, and then that is their average. Now, instead of having to do this process for every single person, what you can do is autofill it, so it does it automatically for you. So you just click right here on the bottom right of the box and just highlight down all the way to the last person, and then it automatically computes all the averages. And if you don't want decimals and you want to say put them in percentages, just go right here and click the percentage button, and there you go. Alright, now we're going to do the same thing only for their test average. So you're going to again press equal sum, open parentheses, then you're going to highlight all their test scores all the way across, close parentheses, then you're going to do divided by 500, which is the total possible amount of test points, and then enter, and that'll give you their average. Now we're not including the rock climbing skills test because there are no skills in that one, no grades in that one. Okay, so we're going to autofill for all the students, and there is their test averages. Now we're going to compute their total amount of points out of quizzes and tests. Okay, so their total amount of points will be 700. So we're going to again do equal sum, open parentheses, then you're going to highlight all their quiz scores, close parentheses, then you're going to do plus, then you're going to do sum again, open parentheses, now highlight all their test scores, close parentheses, and enter. And that gives you their total amount of points. And then all you do is just drag your mouse down to get to autofill every single student's scores. All right, now we're going to figure out their GPAs. So what you're going to do is equal sum, open parentheses, then you're going to highlight their extra credit and total points, close parentheses, and you're going to do divided by 700 because that is the total amount of points that they have between the quizzes and tests. Just click enter, and that gives you their GPA. And we're going to autofill it and find the GPA for all the students. And there it is. All right, and now we're going to figure out their class average. So you're just going to highlight down now for quiz. We're going to start with quiz 1. So highlight all 10 scores. Well, actually first equal sum, open parentheses, then you highlight all the 10 scores, close parentheses, then you're going to do divided by 10 because that is the amount of students that took the quiz, and then enter. And that gives you the class average for quiz 1. And now we're going to do the same thing like we do for the other averages and autofill it. So we get the class averages for all the quizzes and tests. So I'm just going to drag this all the way across the board up until GPA, and there you have it. And I'm going to change it to percentage. Just kidding. Oh, there we go. Okay, I don't know why it messed up on me, so you can just put it at percentage if you want. So that is how you fill in the chart. Okay, then also what you can do once you fill in all your information, you can customize your chart if you want. So if you want to highlight, you can highlight any part of it and go to tables, and you can choose a different style, and you can also choose a different thickness for the lines and things like that. All right, and now we're going to add a header. So we're going to go to layout, header and footer, and then you can either choose left, center, or right. I'm going to choose center, put my name and my class, and then click OK, and OK again. Now, it doesn't show up for me on Excel, but if I go to print, and when it shows my print preview, see, it has my header at the top right here. All right. So after that, the last thing I'm going to show you how to do is to add a chart. Okay. So I'm going to click right here under charts, and we are going to make a chart for all the quiz averages. So all you do is highlight all the quiz averages, and then you can choose column, line, pie, bar graph. So I'm going to do column, and you can choose any one of these. So I'm just going to do this one. And here is a chart for all the quiz averages, and you can just place that and move that around anywhere on your Excel document. And then I'm going to make another one for all the test averages. So you're going to highlight all of the test averages, and then for this one I will do a line graph. So I'll do this, and then, well, that may not be the best example, so let's choose a different kind. I'll do a pie chart, and there is a chart for all your test averages, so you can also move that around. All right, guys, that is it. I hope this is very helpful, and good luck in the future for creating all of your gradebook templates.